So Bed Bath & Beyond stock did not do well at all today, guys. It went down, I think, around, 10%? Yeah, 2 cents. It closed at 20 cents per share on the day. So we're going to be breaking down the charts, news, what I'm looking to do. But before we dive into it, do not forget to get up to 17 free stocks for Moo, each up to $2,000. All you have to do is use that link down below or go to stockerfest.com/Moo, open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get a free share of C3AI, which is actually exclusive to this channel. And guys, you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And again, that's just with a $100 deposit. And guys, fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And it gets even better. Fund your account at least $5,000. You get a free share of Tesla or Google stock guaranteed on top of all the stocks you already got. So I'm telling you guys, this is the best promo right now. Take advantage. Link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's dive into it. So again, Bed Bath & Beyond stock went down over 10% on the day, over 2 cents in the red, guys. And you can see it is clearly taken out, or it took out the lows from yesterday, which we hit roughly, where did we hit? 21.5, 21.5 cents. In other words, guys. And today we actually got to 19.7 on the low. So right off the bat, looking here on the intraday chart, we took the lows out from yesterday, which isn't the best sign for the bulls. And on the 5-day chart, if I pull that up, we are now slowly taking out the lows from the previous trading day, which I believe that was on Friday. Yeah, Friday, the 16th of June, we hit around 20 cents. And again, guys, today we got into the 19-cent range on Bed Bath & Beyond momentarily. We did actually, we rebounded off that and closed at 20 cents, but we did hit 19 cents momentarily. And on this 5-day, 5-minute, I don't know about you guys, but I'm personally seeing a head and shoulders. Do you guys see it? We have the left shoulder here, boom. Head's right here, boom. And we have the right shoulder, which is slowly starting to play out. So this is not the best sign for the bulls. And the low from a couple of days ago, guys, was right around 17.3. That was on the 14th. So a week ago, last Wednesday, we hit 17.5 cents roughly. So that is where, or at least that's one level that we could be going to if this gets even worse, guys. And let me show you some other points we could go to. Maybe we go down to 18 cents. That was actually the low here from, when was that? The 15th of June. Maybe we go down to 19 cents. That's another key spot. Lower 19s. We actually hit, like I said, higher 19s earlier today. So this is where this could start to fall down to if the selling continues, which you guys know the bankruptcy auction is going on right now. And speaking of that, guys, let me actually pull up this article and break down some news very quickly about Bbby and, of course, Bed Bath & Beyond. So you guys see the headline right here. It says Bed Bath & Beyond sets a separate auction date for Bbby. You guys see that right here. And of course, ignore all these ads right here. We have the Disney bundle. We have all these other ads right here. US Bank. We're not talking about any of that today, guys. They're not sponsoring the video, but you know, they're here on the side. Anyway, whatever. Bed Bath & Beyond again sets a separate auction date for Bbby, which at this point we all know, everybody and their grandma knows, that is the most attractive asset in the in the Bed Bath & Beyond pie, if you will, right? Bbby by far is the most attractive asset. And you guys can see the auction is going to be scheduled now for June 28th, which is a week from today. So guys, they keep on pushing back the dates. I think it was initially meant for a couple of days ago. Then they pushed it to the 21st, which is today. Now they're pushing it back to the 28th. And this will give the retailer more time to discuss deals for the chain, for parties interested in Bbby's assets. And Bed Bath, and mind you guys, Bbby, I think they're going to do for fiscal 2023, projected to do something like, I think I was reading $1.5 billion of revenue, which is pretty insane. So keep that in mind. I mean, this is by far, again, the most attractive asset. And Bed Bath & Beyond hasn't attracted interest in its brick and mortar operations, which you guys know they've shut down all the stores. They're liquidating, getting rid of all that inventory, right? But did accept accept a stalking horse bid of $21.5 million from Overstock.com for its intellectual properties. Big news. So yeah, what do you guys think about that? Pretty interesting news there. Let me actually come back over here to the charts, guys, which again, today Bed Bath & Beyond stock went down about 10%. So if we zoom in or make my face a little bit bigger, there we go. My big old head, guys, there we go. Again, we can see down 10%, 10.2%, and we have that Head and Shoulders playing out. This could end up getting worse in the short term, in my opinion, and what everybody's waiting for is, and there goes my my laundry, guys, and my bobblehead in the back. I have a Kobe Bryant bobblehead right here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it goes crazy when the laundry runs. It's literally about 10, 15 feet over there, 20 feet. Either way, guys, where was I? It all comes down to the Bye Baby auction, right? We'll see in about a week how that's going to play out, how the price action for BBBYQ is going to look. In my opinion, I don't know about you guys, but I think it's going to be very rocky. I'm pretty sure a lot of you all would agree with that. So yeah, I mean, let's see what it does in the 20-cent range, 18, 19 cents. This is a big spot for the stock in general. And on the 4-hour chart, guys, actually wait, on the 20-day chart, we can see we are slightly, well, we were at least slowly breaking out of this channel that we were in, the downwards channel, which if I zoom in, you'll see. But now we're actually starting to fall right back into it. Now with today's red day, we went right back under the 50 SMA. Obviously, we closed under the 180 SMA. In fact, we got rejected yesterday and today at the 180 SMA, and now we're starting to sell off even more. So BBBYQ, from a technical standpoint, it's looked better in the past. I'm not going to lie, guys. It's not looking so great right now, so be very careful. I am personally, and you guys know me, I'm in this stock. I'm riding it to the dirt. If it goes to zero, so be it. I put an amount of money in that I'm willing to lose, and I knew what I was getting into when I initially bought it, right? But at this point, I'm just holding on. I'm in for the ride, and I'm excited to see how it plays out. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. And I haven't asked you guys this in a while, but are you still holding Bed Bath & Beyond? I'm seriously curious because I'm still holding again at 41 cents. Not a big position at all, but I'm curious to see if you guys are still holding. If you guys want to let me know in the comments where you're holding in terms of average cost. You don't have to let me know how many shares you have. It doesn't matter, but let me know your average cost and if you're still holding, or are you planning on selling or buying more or whatever. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you want some free money, who doesn't like free money, guys? Don't forget to get up to 17 free stocks from Moo, each up to $2,000. All you have to do is go down below or go to stocksforfest.com/Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock, which is $40 a share, and that's exclusive to this channel. And you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund your account with at least $5,000. Guys, listen to this. On top of all the stocks you already got, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, guaranteed, guys. And if you don't like the Moo platform, which I think you'll like it, but if you don't, you can take out all the money you deposited and you keep all the free stocks, guaranteed, guys. No strings attached, no BS, and the clock is ticking. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below. And guys, with that being said, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll catch you guys in the next video.